Welcome back everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to change the display language in the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile phone. If your browser is not showing the language you prefer, first, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings to access the DuckDuckGo browser configuration page. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the option called Private Search. Tap on Private Search to open more search-related controls. Next, tap on More Search Settings to see advanced search options. Then, find the option called Display Language and tap on it. After that, you will see a list of available languages. Choose the language you want from the list, and the change will be applied automatically. Finally, go back to your search page and you will notice that the DuckDuckGo interface now appears in the selected language. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may need it.